stuck with the File-explorer module DLL failure compromising your core library map? I'm Sophie Chen, a senior Windows support engineer. Let's analyze this architectural break and restore your stability. As we look at the manual steps for File-explorer module, there is also a diagnostic resource for reviewing your overall system health. This is the File-explorer module, a generic naming convention used by several high-volume skinning or file manager utilities to store localized UI hooks for the Windows shell. Because it modifies File-explorer, it is a high-risk file for malware infection. If missing, the third-party UI modification will fail to apply. Knowing the file's purpose is helpful, but now we need to physically restore it. This problem points to a breach in your Windows system files. Use the system file checker by entering sfc/scan now into an elevated command prompt, which will allow the OS to verify and restore the authentic version of File-explorer module DLL. When a standard software refresh isn't enough, we need to bypass the automated installers and look at manual system state resets. A system reboot is a reliable way to clear away zombie processes that might be interfering with File-explorer module. It's a low-impact step that ensures your operating system is starting with a synchronized environment. Before you restart, please bookmark this video or click the like button so that it's waiting for you in your library for the next step. Now that the system has rebooted, if the issue persists, let's move on to our next level of troubleshooting. Feel free to pause the video if you need a moment. Rebooting didn't reconnect the runtime links, so let's go into the control panel and refresh the library files. First, go to Control Panel, then select Programs and Features. Second, find every Microsoft Visual C++ redistributable, 2005 through 2022. Third, right-click each and select Change, then select Repair. If that fails, download the latest all-in-one VC++ redistributable package from Microsoft's website. Please note that for DLL files with numbers, the number tells you which version to repair. For example, 120 equals 2013. To ensure long-term stability, we should review the safety risks associated with unverified file sources. Protect your PC by avoiding the temptation of quick manual fixes for File-explorer module. Most free DLL websites are optimized for ad revenue rather than safety, often leading users to download harmful or obsolete software. Beyond manual troubleshooting, many users find that a system-wide diagnostic scan provides a more complete picture of their environment. A maintenance-related solution is referenced below for users who want to review diagnostic options for File-explorer module. To keep File-explorer module running with a stable configuration, subscribe to our channel and like this video to help us reach more users in need of support.